Ini dia, just no limit.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Heart rate is
Yo, what's up? Ketemu lagi bareng Bang Ali. Kali ini kita main Mobile Legend. Berkesempatan main bareng Just No Limit. Kawin. Entah kawin, entah asli, kita nggak tahu. Pakai lila, siapa tadi? Layla
Legendary. Double kill. Triple kill.
Ini dia, Just No Limit. Kasih bang.
Legendary.
Ternyata hebat juga. Nggak salah.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Wis. Mana Bang Jess tadi? Oh. Gak maju Bang Jess.
Retreat.
Aduh, kampret.
Ally has been slain.
Ini dia. Just No
Launch
Limit.
attack. Request backup.
Ajar bang, ajar. Tua.
Legendary.
An
Enemy has been
Yung
slain.
ngiri.
Double kill.
Gak salah dapat penghargaan betang udah.
Initiate retreat.
Mundur tuh bang.
Request backup.
Baiklah. Mundur lah.
Request evac has been slain.
Oke, saya kembali. Mati ke satu. Jago deh. Lah.
Ally has
Olah, mati ke tu bang.
double kill.
Aduh. Ayo kita lihat lagi. Bang Jess. Mana dia Bang Jess?
Legendary.
Mana? Ini. Suster.
Ally has slain Lord.
Ayo. Just No Limit KW.
Legendary. Double kill.
No.
An enemy has been slain. Triple kill. Maniac.
Tak lah bang bunuh.
Out.
Okey. Serang Bang Jess. Bang Jess KW. Wih, dikasih jempol sama Post Just Limit. Yuk, makasih bang. Dasar kawi. Oke, sekian dari kami. Jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe.
I'll be one day on that track with gunplay. I'll cast my whole life, so I decide to spit like Andre.